The life of a baker in 3 words is get up early or go to bed late. The first mix in here is probably around 5 a.m. The start of the process is in here, mixing. So this comes from dough that will have been mixed yesterday, left to prove for 24 hours because that's how sourdough works basically. My mum and dad would say that, you know, all food used to be organic. All bread was once sourdough. The Chorley wood principle was created after the Second World War to feed the nation much more quickly, which is why they started using yeast. If you take a piece of sourdough, you squash it up, it will return to shape. You do that with a yeasted loaf, it will just go to raw dough. That has returned to what it was. This is the real magic. That's the sourdough starter. That's about 25 years old. There's French bakeries with 200-year-old starters, so ours is quite a young one. The real action room is here. This is the viennoiserie room. Hand-rolled, weighed, cut, pressed, and then they'll go through for proving. Le Sure butter, which is basically the best Normandy butter that you can buy. Le Sure butter. The difference between one of our croissants and mass-produced one, it's so much difference. People inspire me. The team that we have here are fantastic and they're a pleasure to work with, and the bakers are all great. Maya is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful woman and a very professional operator.
Just the smell of bread is amazing. As soon as the bread has been baked and you smell the first smell of fresh baked bread, it just puts a smile on your face. I started really as a small person, but when I met Andy, he literally helped me grow. He saw the potential that was in me. I've built loads of confidence being here.
For me, I like it. I like my house. I come in anytime coming, I do my job. But I like very much.
When you come in and you see a happy face, then that's what makes you smile.
Perfect timing. These are stone deck ovens. The base is stone, just like a pizza oven. They steam from the inside out, so on a bigger loaf, we'd actually slice it, because otherwise they would just burst open. And that is basically the Artisan Bakery. That all right?